Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to install VLC player on Firestick.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Firestick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
Let's get started. To do that, go to the find icon and go down to search. From there, I want you to go over to keyboard and go ahead and type on VLC. So if you type VLC in the search bar, you should see notifications pop up, and you have to ensure you have a good internet connection, because without good internet connection, you have a message like this: search is currently unavailable. So just verify your connection and try to search again. There you have it, that's the VLC application. So just click on this VLC player and click on this app. From there, just give it a second to pop up. When it pops up, you find the download button. Click on the download button to begin the download, and then you find an automatic installation process. So as you can see, I've just clicked on download. It's the cloud icon with the down sign. When you click on that, the download begins. So as you can see, the app is downloading. I'm going to give it a couple of seconds. Depending on internet connection, it will take you a couple of seconds to a minute. When it's done downloading, you find installation process. So I'll give this some seconds. It's almost 10% ready. I'll allow this to complete, and then we'll head over to the installation process. As you can see, the download is 90% complete. I'm just giving it a couple of seconds to complete, and then we'll have the installation process for the VLC app on Firestick. So the download has completed, the installation process is done, and if you just click on open app, the app is going to launch. So this is VLC on the Firestick. Now if that was useful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.